Boolean operators are the words and, or, not, and when used in combination with keywords, they can either narrow or expand your result list. To show examples of how to use Boolean operators, we are going to use a database called Academic Search Ultimate. You will find this under the Quick Access option, the second link, Databases. The first database that comes up is Academic Search Ultimate. For this example, using the Boolean operator and, we will search the terms internet and security. I'll type in internet in my first search box, and in my second search box, I will type in the word security. You'll see that the database provides me with a drop-down menu where I can select which Boolean operator that I want to use. I can select search, and this will give me a list of results that contain both the words internet and security. This actually narrows my list of results because both terms will need to be in the results. However, you will see that I have a huge list of results here, almost 40,000. So I would then want to limit further by selecting full text and also peer-reviewed. My list is still very large, but I can limit further by selecting a field, so I can look at both of these terms as subject terms. And this will make search more specific. And then we'll see that again, our list is brought down further. When using the Boolean operator or, you are connecting two synonyms. In this example, we will use the words teenager or adolescent. See the drop-down box with the Boolean operators. We'll select or, and we'll enter in adolescent. And we can then search our topic. You'll see that we have a giant list here, almost 400,000 results, and we can further limit from here with using our refine results column or our select field option. The final Boolean operator we will look at is not. Oftentimes when I use this one, it's when I've started my research and I'm seeing what type of results I'm receiving. For this example, we're going to use vegan, not vegetarian. So I'll type vegan into my first search box, and into my second, I will select the Boolean operator not and type in the word vegetarian. Then search, and then I'll have a list of results. So what this will do is it's excluding the term vegetarian from my list of results, which will actually narrow my results and give me a more focused list to look through.